thought I'd take a little break from gaming and show you how to make one of the easiest, fastest, and most delicious snickerdoodle cookie I've ever made in my life. It doesn't take long and it's actually pretty cheap to make. Bonus! And I also eat it a lot when I game, so 10 out of 10. I'll preface this by saying I do not own any kitchen setup, so you know all those baking channels like have the nice camera setup? Yeah, I don't have that, so you're gonna see a lot of shaky close-up selfie mode camera angles, but the result should be the same. It is a delicious cookie and you will love it. Okay, let's go. First, you're gonna preheat your oven to 375. Currently, it's preheating for me. And this is everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need some cake mix, some vanilla, 2 eggs, oil, and some cinnamon and sugar. Fun fact, you can use this recipe for any cake mix. So you can use funfetti, which I also recommend. So, for each of these, you're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs obviously, 1/3 of a cup of oil, and the cinnamon sugar is on the side. This is to dip your cookie in later. I'll get to that. Personally put all of this stuff together in a little container here, and then a measuring cup, that's the word I'm looking for. And then I'll pour it all together and you mix it up. It's not very exciting, but I'll show you it anyway. Gonna form a dough. Ta-da! So your next step is pretty easy. Next step is we're gonna take our handy scooper here. We're gonna scoop out some dough, about that much. You're gonna pop it into that cinnamon sugar you left on the side. That's good. Now we're gonna make a little ball and we're gonna swirl it around. That cinnamon sugar goodness. I usually dunk it twice because I like a lot of cinnamon sugar on it. You're gonna coat it real well. You're gonna pop it on this tray. About yay part. I flatten it out a little bit. And then we're gonna repeat that until this is full. And now that you have that all set up, you're gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. Like that, and you smudge it in. Like so. Repeat. Bake these bad boys for about 9 to 10 minutes, give or take. And you're gonna repeat on that pan over there. This pan is well loved. Ignore how dirty it is. Have a good bake. I already ate one. No regrets. The fresh cookie out of the oven is literally the best thing on this planet. So, that's what they should look like. They expand quite a bit, and they're freaking delicious. If you enjoyed this little break from gaming, I'll get right back to it in the next episode, but I just thought a little baking would be fun this time around, so see you next time, guys. Stay safe. Love you. Mwah.